sentenced the accused to 6 months imprisonment. The sentences shall run concurrently.
Piny owacho singo chulo jotije posta duto kochopo giko mar dweni. Jotije go nobago ng'anyo ka giywago deko mar osaragi kuom maromo dweche 5. Jatend migawo mar tudruok Elido Walo owacho ni maromo milion 500 oseket tenge mar chulo jotije mag posta.
Among the issues we have discussed the whole of this morning include but not limited to the challenges faced by the Postal Corporation of Kenya with regard to its financial status, liquidity issues, and most importantly, salary arrears for staff.
We want to confirm to postal workers wherever they are. We have sat with the CS and the Postal Corporation Postmaster General and the team, and they have assured us that they are waiting for payment of more than 500 million that will be channeled. And I'm happy the CS has confirmed and assured us that he has given a caveat to ensure money that is paid to Posta will be paid to salaries.